Next question number 7. What is that? G of x is equal to 1 divided by x square plus 2. Okay. Listen, we have to find the derivative of the what? We have to find the derivative of the g of x. So when you find a derivative of g of x is equal, this is formula like what is that? Derivative of 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x na, the formula is what? Minus 1 divided by x square. Here the whole thing you take as a x, 1 by x meaning. Understand? So when you differentiate, what I am getting? Minus 1 divided by x square plus 2 the whole square. What you will be getting? The whole square. The whole thing if you take as x na, x is square, you will be getting denominator. Okay, this is for 1 by x. Later we should differentiate the, what is the denominator also, right? So x square derivative 2x, 2 derivative 0. That's it. So what I am getting finally? Minus 2x divided by x square plus 2 the whole square. This is what? G dash of x, answer number 1. When you find the x value, put g dash of x is equal to 0. Then what I am getting now? Minus 2x divided by x square plus 2 the whole square equal to 0. When you take cross multiply, what I am getting? Minus 2x is equal to 0. Multiply minus 2 when you send opposite na, divide anything, 0 divide anything, 0. So x value what I am getting paraja? 0. X value what I am getting paraja? 0. Understand? Right. After getting x value, we should find even a double derivative also. Understand? Even we should find a double derivative also. Or else you can use a first derivative test also. Left of 0, right of 0 also will go. Shall we go double derivative or first derivative? What you said? What you said, Ra? Double derivative will go or single derivative? Double derivative. Right. Then what is that? Differentiate 1 again. So what I am getting? G double dash of x which is equal to, this is look like a u by v format. Okay, u by wait it take time, I think. U by v it take work. We'll go to single derivative test. So that if you taking 0 left side of 0 what we can give, Raja? Minus 0.1 you can give. Right side plus 0.1 you can give. Okay. Left side like this, right side like this. So that listen carefully. Listen. Left of x is equal to 0 is what now? Minus 0.1. Then what I am getting? G dash of minus 0.1 when I do, what I am getting? Minus 2 into x value minus 0.1 whole divided by here x square minus 0.1 whole square plus 2 the whole square again. Okay. So listen carefully. Minus into minus plus 2 into 0.1. When you square it will be positive. Have you noticed when you square it will be positive. So 1 square 1 only. But 0.01 you will be getting plus 2 the whole square. If you notice everything positive. Positive, don't forget. Next, right. Okay, right of x is equal to 0 is 0.1 means plus 0.1. Then g dash of 0.1 which is equal to what you can say minus 2 into 0.1 divided by 0.1 square plus 2 the whole square. See, when we have a square, denominator must be positive, but numerator we have a negative, so that which is less than 0. Greater than 0 to less than 0 if it is goes what we can say here what is that? Positive to negative. Positive to negative goes now. What is the x maxima? Okay. Then x is equal to 0 is maxima. This is best way. If you are going double derivative, take time. This is best. Okay, maxima. Therefore, the maximum value is what now? Take the x value, substitute in the question. Okay, substitute in the question. So what I am getting? 1 divided by x square na 0 square plus 2, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 is the required maximum value. Understand? This is 7th one. This is 7th one. See, if anyone trying in the double derivative test now, you try, not an issue. You will be getting same answer. Okay. Can I have the first page, ba? First page we will start the question number 8. Either first derivative or second derivative, that is your wish, Raja. Whatever you likes, you do. Not an issue. Right. Question number 8. F of x equal to x into square root of 1 minus x, 0 less than x less than 1. 0 less than x less than 1. Understand? Now we have to differentiate this. Children, listen, we have to differentiate this f dash of x. Before that, listen, this is the UV product. Have you noticed it? This is what? UV product. So that formula is what? UV whole dash is equal to u dash v plus u v dash. So x is the u value, the root value is the v. Like that I am taking. So that f dash of x which is equal to first x u dash na u value what ma? X derivative 1, then v value 1 minus square root of 1 minus x, let it be as it is. Then u into v dash, u value x, let it be as it is. Okay. V dash means the root value we have to differentiate. What is the derivative of root value? 1 divided by 2 into question, which means 1 minus x. See, derivative formula I will give. Raja, derivative of root x, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into root x. That means 1 by 2 into question. So this is the derivative of root. Understand? So that is what I did here. 1 by 2 into question. Okay. Then you want to multiply. Inside the root what we have that. 1 derivative 0 minus x derivative 1. That's it. Now you have to simplify this. Take this cross multiplication. So what I am getting? 2 into root 1 minus x, double time when you multiply, what you will be getting? Root will be cancelled. That means 1 minus x. So plus and minus na minus. Okay, plus into minus 1 into x, 1 into x whole divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus x. That's it. Now simplify this part. 2 you take multiply inside. 2 into 1, 2 into x minus x divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus x. When you simplify, 2 minus 3x divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus x. This is what? F dash of x. This is what? F dash of x. This also I am going to do with the help of first derivative test only, not a second derivative. Before that, we should find the x value. Na? Let's find the x value. So let's find the x value. X value if you need now, put f dash of x is equal to 0. So what we have here? 2 minus 3x divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus x equal to 0. Denominator when you send opposite na, what I am getting? 2 minus 3x equal to 0 into anything? 0. Then minus value when you send opposite plus. Multiple 3 when you send opposite divide. So that 2 by 3 I am getting. Okay. 2 by 3 na what ma? What is 2 by 3 da? When you give point na, 6 3s are 18. Again 2 na 6 6 it will be going. If you want, you can write 0.67. This is approximately I am giving. Why I am telling approximately? 0.67 left side what? Left side close to that what we can take? 0.5 you can take. Above this na, I mean right side what you can take? 0.7 you can take. Okay, that you can check whatever you getting, you can solve this. Right, now left side, first left of x is equal to 2 by 3 is 0.5, then g dash of 0.5 which is equal to 2 minus 3 into 0.5 divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus 0.5 which is equal to 2 minus 3 into 0.5 now 1 and half. Okay, means 1.5 divided by 2 into 1 minus 1.5 now 0.5. Surely it will be positive because numerator what ma 2 minus 1 and half na 0.5, that will be positive. Positive na greater than 0. Okay, keep it in mind. Don't want to simplify all those things. Just positive or negative, that you want to see. Enough. Next, right. Next, right of x is equal to 2 by 3 is 0.7. Then, what I'm getting, let's see. G dash of 0.7 which is equal to 2 minus 3 into 0.7 divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus 0.7. Denominator what not? 2 into square root of 0.3 inside the root. But here 2 minus 3 sevens are 21 means 0.21. When you subtract, that will be 0.1 I'm getting. Okay, 0.1, it means negative. Which means what, my dear? Negative less than 0. Okay, which means negative. First one greater than 0, second one less than 0. Now, x is maxima because positive to negative. Okay. Then, sorry, here what has happened? Positive to negative. Positive to negative. Raja, positive to negative na x is maxima. Okay, then x is equal to 2 by 3 is maxima. Maxima na, if you want a maximum value, what you have to do? Take the x value, substitute in the question. You will be getting maximum value. Okay. So that therefore maximum value is, what is that question? Question is what? F of 2 by 3 which is equal to 2 by 3 into square root of 1 minus 2 by 3. See, here we have a question. X into na x value 2 by 3. Simplify this, you will be getting 2 by 3. When you take cross multiply here, 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 by 3 is equal to 2 into 2 by 3 into root 1 1 root 3 which is equal to 2 divided by 3 root 3. Is that our required maximum value? That's it. Okay, this is question number 8. Third Roman over ma. Now we'll go to fourth Roman. If anyone feeling, sir, first derivative don't want, I want to go second derivative, na better if you want to go, that is also you try, not at all issue. You will be getting same answer only. Now here I stopped. If you want, you continue. 2 minus 1.5 na 0.5 divided by 2 into will be getting, even though that is positive. Even though that is what a positive. Don't want to simplify, only plus or minus we are checking. What are you telling? F or oh, function name given is F. So I mentioned G. Very good, very good. Here F dash of X should come. Okay, not a G, F. Thanks, Raja. Boy said always perfect. Girls, everybody take water, ma. Can I go to next question? By side completed appa. Ma next fourth Roman. Prove that the following function do not have maxima or minima. Listen, the following questions are don't have either maxima or minima. We have to say. Listen carefully. First one you take. F of x is equal to e power x. If you listen, you will understand. Listen. F dash of x is equal to what is derivative of e power x? Ma Sweta. Derivative of e power x what? Are you Sweta? Boys, who said this? I'm talking to Sweta. Boys said you people answering. Ah. Sit down. Don't talk, listen here. So derivative of e power x, e power x. Derivative of e power x, what ma? E power x. Now put f dash of x is equal to what ma? 0. F dash of x, e power x only equal to 0. Children, listen. Whatever x you give, you never get equal to 0 in the exponential. Whatever you give, see x, if you are giving 0, it will be 1. X if you are giving minus 1, it will be 1 by e. X will be giving a infinity is equal to something else infinity or what. Okay, so that you never get 0 whatever you give for x. So this is not possible to find x value. Right here, this is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. E power x equal to 0 is not possible. Understand? Hence f of x equal to e power x do not have maxima or minima. Okay, that you write. Now question number 2, second subdivision we are moving. G of x is equal to log x. G of x is equal to what ma? Log x. Okay, Sharmi, tell me what is derivative of log x ba? What a clever you are, Logita. I'm talking to Sharmi. Why you answering? Huh? Tell me ba. 1 by x. Very good. Sit down. So log derivative what ma? 1 by x. So now you just substitute g dash of x is equal to 0 for finding the x value. So that 1 by x equal to 0 na, what I am getting? Is that possible? 1 by x equal to 0, you will be getting not defined. Infinity you will be getting. Am I right? If you are reciprocal, you will be getting x value. X equal to infinity and all we cannot go. This is also not possible. Okay, you will be getting what, my dear? Infinite. X is not possible to find. That is also infinite. Which means x is equal to 1 by 0. This is not possible to find a exact x value in the real number. Okay. Then this is also not possible, you write. This is not possible. Down I will write. Okay. This is not possible to find x value. That is do not have maxima or minima. See, 1 by 0 na you will be getting infinity. Understand? That and all we cannot use here. Next, what I am going, third one what? H of x which is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. One cubic equation they gave in the third subdivision. So what is the derivative of x cube ba? Derivative of x cube, yeah, 3x square. Next derivative of x square, 2x. Next derivative of x ba, 1. Next derivative of 1 ba, 0. Now you have to simplify. That means 3 times x square plus 2x plus 1 I am getting. This is h dash of x. To find x, put h dash of x is equal to 0. So what I am getting? 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Is that possible to find I factor? 3 into 1 3. Coefficient of x value 2 na. 1 3s are 3 okay, but adding 2 not possible to get. Better you check quadratic one. So that here a value 3, b value 2, c value 1. Okay, coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x b, constant c. Then check the d value. D not discriminant. That is b square minus 4ac you check. What I am getting? B square means 2 square minus 4 into a value 3, C value 1. Then what I am getting? Square root of 2 square now 4, 4 3s are 12, which is equal to square root of 4 minus 12 now minus 8. Square root of minus 8 does not belongs to real number. Does not belongs to real number. It is going under the complex number. So real number alone we have to take. Okay, for finding x value only real number, real roots only it is a, what is that allowed. So that this is also not possible to find x value. This is hence finally you write hence do not have maxima or minima. That means no x value. That means no x value. All the three we have done. They will be asking in the MCQ 2 mark or assessment reason, anything else, these things. Understand? Fourth Roman, is it okay, pa? Okay. Next we are going, where we are going? Fifth Roman. Do it fast, pa. Don't waste time, I said. Do it fast. Next, fifth Roman. Have you done, ma? Boy side. Do it fast, pa. Or else in the same page I will. Have you done? Yeah. Those who completed this, write question number 5, pa. Roman number 5 you can write. Don't waste time. Completed a boy side. Done. Now listen. Next we will go Roman number 5, pa. So find the absolute maximum value. Pa, absolute na what I said, pa. Absolute na what they will give? Close interval they will give. What they will give, pa? Close interval. See, absolute na they will give close interval. Very easy to go. You don't want to go first derivative test or second derivative test or definition method. Just find x value, apply in the question, which is the big answer, that is maximum, which is small, that is the minimum. That is the absolute maximum value. These things we have explained in the introduction when I am giving about 6.3. So first question I am taking, listen, pa. F of x is equal to x cube if I am taking na, x belongs to close interval minus 2 comma 2. So that minus 2 and 2 both are x value. Both are x value, and one more x value I should find between the interval. Before that, find a derivative of the given function. Then 3 times x square you will be getting. Then put f dash of x is equal to 0. 3x square is equal to 0. Multiply 3 when you send opposite, that is 0 divided anything, 0 limit. Then x is equal to root 0 is equal to 0. So that therefore x values, the x values are what actually? 0 comma minus 2 comma plus 2. See, 0 now I got, minus 2 plus 2 I should get. See, only the end value you should take. Raja, in the interval, what they gave, that end value, it means beginning value and end value. That end value you should take, between whatever we have, that you don't take. Okay. Then there are three values. These three value directly you substitute in the question. What I am getting, we'll see. Then first f of 0 is equal to 0 cube is equal to 0. 1. Next f of minus 3, sorry, minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole cube, which is equal to minus 8. Next f of 2 is equal to 2 cube na, which is equal to 8. Listen carefully ma. Now 0 minus 8 plus 8, which is the maximum pa? Plus 8. So plus 8 maximum, which is the minimum pa? Minus 8 is the minimum. So therefore the absolute maximum value is 8 and absolute minimum value is minus 8. That's it ma. Here you don't want to go first theorem 3 and theorem 4. Just directly you can substitute in the question. You can compare which is the big, that you can take when we have a close interval. We understand? When we have a close interval, this you can do. Okay, next second Roman already we have seen this sin x plus cos x. Very important question I told you. Here x belongs to 0 to pi. Sometime they will give 0 to pi. See, last time we have seen 0 to pi by 2, I hope. Am I right? This time 0 to pi. Next time you will get 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So same question. See, this is important question. Ma, this is important question. Fifth Roman, second subdivision, important. This model very important. 3 different interval they will be giving. Okay. Be careful. We have to find double dash of x is equal, sorry, f dash of x is equal sin derivative cos minus y minus na cos derivative minus sin, that minus I gave. Now put f dash of x is equal to 0, so that cos x minus sin x equal to 0. Okay. So that cos x is equal to minus sin, when you said opposite, plus sin x. So cos, there is a multiply 1 you think, then there is a only 1 here, multiply cos, when you send opposite, divide cos. Then 1 is equal to sin by cos na tan x. So where you will be getting tan value 1 pa? Where you will be getting tan value 1? In first quadrant, this is actually interval given 0 to pi. Mean here already pi by 2 also is there. Here if you take 45 na, tan 45 you will be getting 1. But second quadrant minus 1 only you will be getting. Second quadrant minus 1 only you will be getting. So only first quadrant. Therefore, x is equal to only pi by 4 is my answer. Not only pi by 4, you can take the given value also. What? 0 and pi also you can take one of the value. So therefore, x is equal to pi by 4, 0 and pi. These 3 value I am taking. Take the 3 values, substitute in the question, which is the big that you give as a maximum, which is the small that you give as a minimum. That's it. Now f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4. Now here you have to substitute sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 na 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 na again 1 by root 2. Root 2 same. 1 plus 1 is 2. If you take conjugate na, you will be getting only root 2. 2 will be cancelled. Right. F of 0 if you give, what I am getting? Sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin 0 0, cos 0 1 equal to 1. Next f of pi is equal to sin pi plus cos pi. Sin pi 0, cos pi minus 1 equal to minus 1. So what is the small value here? Minus 1. Compare all this. Minus 1, 1, root 2. Root 2 na, that is more than 1. Okay. So therefore absolute minimum value is -1 and absolute maximum value is, what is that, √2. That's it. Okay, -1 and √2. Have you understand the second one, second one, is it okay? Next, third one. Third one, what is that? F of x is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2 x square. Here x belongs to closed interval -2 divided by 9 by 2. Closed interval, very happy. Absolute maximum minimum you can try. Understand? Before that, find a derivative. F dash of x is equal to 4 into x derivative 1 minus 1 by 2 into x square derivative 2x. X square derivative what 2x. You can cancel denominator 2 and numerator 2. So what I am getting finally, 4 into 1 4 minus a x, that is f dash of x. Now you can put f dash of x is equal to 0 to find the x value. Then 4 minus x is equal to 0. 4 is equal to x. This is the x value which I got. Now given value also you can take. Given value also you can take. What is that? Therefore x is equal to 4 -2 and 9 by 2. All these three you substitute in the question. You will be getting 3 value. Then you can compare. Understand? First f of 4 I will be substituting. Then 4 into, see the question, 4 into 1 by 4 into x value what, 4 minus 1 by 2 into x square na 4 square, which is 4 was 16 minus 1 by 2 into 4 square na again 16. So that you can subtract 1 time, this will be 8 time. So 16 minus 8, what you will be getting 8. Okay, that's it. Next, f of -2. F of -2 is equal to 4 into f of -2 minus 1 by 2 into -2. Sorry, wait, there is no place here. I will do the next page. What is that? F of -2, which is equal to 4 into -2, formula minus, sorry, in the question negative, -2 whole square. So that -2 into 4 na -8 minus 1 by 2 into -2 square, the value 4. So that when you cancel this 1 time, 2 time, what I am getting here, -8 minus 2 na -10 I am getting. Then f of 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2. Then 4 into x value 9 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, what is that, 9 by 2 whole square. So that you can cancel this by 2. 1 time, 2 time. What I am getting here, 9 2s are 18 minus 1 by 2 into 9 square 8 and 2 square 4, which is equal to LCM. If you take 8 na, 18 into 8. For 18 into 8, what I am getting, 8 8 is 64. 6 1 into 8, then 1 4. 144 I am getting. Okay. Minus 8 1. Then subtract 144 minus 81 you subtract. 4 minus 1 what ma? 3. 14 minus 8 na, you will be getting 6. So 63 divided 8. But 63 divided 8, is that compared to 8 big number or small number, we must know, right? For that you should divide. So that 9, what is that? 8 8s are 64. Then 7 8s are 56. Point something, maybe 8 or 9 you will be getting. But this will be less than 8. This will be what, my dear? Less than 8. Don't forget. Now tell me, what is the big number here? 8 is the big number. Small number -10. So that therefore absolute what is that? Absolute maximum. Absolute maximum value is 8 and same absolute minimum value is -10. That's it. Understand? Next question number 4. Second question, can I rough? Is anyone writing second? Fourth one, f of x is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 3. What is that? Have you remembered this question, children? Have you remembered this question? With help of this question only I gave introduction. Have you remember? Yes. Right, fine. But here interval is there. Close interval they gave minus 3 comma 1. Right. First we will find a derivative for this. So that x square when you differentiate 2 will be coming down x minus 1 whole square. Sorry, whole square minus 1. Mean 2 minus 1. Then inside the bracket whatever you have you should differentiate and write x derivative 1 minus 1 derivative 0 plus 3 derivative 0 again. Now if we simplify what I am getting 2 into x minus 1. 2 into x minus 1 is the f dash of x. Now put f dash of x equal to 0. Then 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Multiply 2 when you send opposite 0 by anything 0. Then x is equal to 1. That's it. This is my required x value. Okay. Now see children, not only this, we have two more values. But listen children, here 1 is there na. Same 1 only we have in the interval also. Then one time, no need to repeat the x value. One time you take. Okay. One time you take, no need to repeat. Then x value 1 and minus 3. Means this one and end one. Both are same. So one time you take, don't want to repeat. Okay. Now, then we will go for a question. So f of 1 na, where is the question here? Here. Okay. So that 1 minus 1 whole square plus 3 which is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Next minus 3 if I take. F of minus 3 na, sorry, what is the x value pa? Minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3 which is equal to 3 minus 1 na minus 4. Minus 4 squared value 16 plus 3. Okay. Which is equal to what pa? 19. Now minimum value 3, maximum value 19. So therefore absolute, what is that? Maximum value. Absolute maximum value is 19 and absolute minimum value is 3. That's it. Have you understand? Because of interval the question is changing. Okay, write fast pa, we'll go to next. Write fast pa. Do it fast ma. First page have you done pa? Just a minute. Question number 6 will go. Ma, question number 6. Find maximum profit. See, profit or whatever, profit or that is don't want. Maximum, that's it. Maximum na 6th chapter we have to differentiate. Maximum, minimum, greatest, least, that word and all if you have seen in the question paper na, that is belongs to 6th chapter. We have to differentiate. We have to use either theorem 3 or theorem 4 or definition 3 or definition 4. Understand? Right. So that P of x is equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. Okay, and function is given. Okay, we have to find the maximum value. Then first you differentiate this p dash of x, which is equal to 41 derivative, 41 constant, so derivative value 0 minus 72 into x derivative what na 1, x derivative what na 1 minus 18 into x square derivative what na 2x, x square derivative what ba 2x. Now what you can take commonly outside ba, minus 72 minus 18 2s are 36x. What will take commonly outside? Shall we take minus 32? Minus 32 if you take, now sorry, minus 36 if you take, now what I am getting? 2 minus x. What my dear? 2 minus a, sorry, 2 plus a minus, minus I have taken outside na, so 2 plus only you will be getting. This is what p dash of x. Now put what is that? P dash of x is equal to 0 for finding the x value. Okay, now listen, minus 36 into 2 plus x is equal to 0, multiply minus 36 when you send opposite, divide, so 0 divide anything 0, then x value if you want not 2 you send opposite, minus 2, this is x value. They said very clearly we have to find a maximum value. Listen carefully, maximum value how can say? When you go to double derivative we can find very easily, am right? Then take the question number 1, what is that? Differentiate 1 again, so that double derivative of p of x is equal to minus 36 into 2 derivative 0, 2 derivative 0 plus x derivative what na 1, x derivative what 1, so that minus 36 into 1 minus 36 p double derivative of x, so that you have to substitute the x value in the double derivative. When you substitute, what you are getting, that we have to see. So that p double derivative of minus 2 is equal to minus 36. No variable here. No variable, no change, less than 0. Double derivative less than 0. Now, what is the x is called? Maxima. Okay. Then x is equal to minus 2 is maxima. What we can say pa? Maxima. This is maxima I said. Maxima I said. If you want a maximum value, where you want to go? Question. Where you want to go pa? Question. So that you take the question. So that star implies. So that p of minus 2 which is equal to 41 minus 72 into minus 2 minus 18 into minus 2 whole square. So that 41 minus minus and minus plus 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14 minus 18 into 2 square now 4, then 18 into 4, 18 into 4 what I am getting? What is that? 32 3, this is 4, 72. 72 I am getting. Okay. Now what is that? You just add up both. 5, 4 plus 4, 8, 1, 185 minus 72. Subtract this, what I am getting pa? 3, 1 again, 1. So maximum profit is what na? 113. Okay, 113. So therefore maximum profit is 113. That's it. Profit now you can consider this is rupees also. Okay. Unit, rupees, whatever. Okay. But in question they didn't mention rupees. Better you leave it. 113. That's it. This is our answer for a sixth one. No, enough. Raja, sixth question enough. We'll go, seventh question onwards I will come in the next video. Thank you children. Take care. Bye. See you later.